Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can embed any tweet into your WordPress post with ease. So to get started, open the post that you want to insert a tweet in and select the place where you want to do so. Now, our aim is I want to embed this post from my X account into this post at this place. Now, once you have identified the spot where you want to embed the tweet, once you have clicked on it, click on this text function that appears here. Click on this text function. Go back to where you had clicked. As you can see, it is still here. So you want now to go ahead and grab the embed code from the post. To do so, click on these three dots and then click on embed post. Now, because this is not a video, it's just a post, we shall click on this embedded post and then copy this link. As you can see, it is copied. Go ahead and identify the spot where you want to embed and paste it there. Once you have done, go back to visual, from text to visual, and there it is. Go ahead and update your posts. Now, from here, we want to go and confirm if indeed it has fetched all the content of the tweet from that X account. Go ahead and open your post in a new tab. And as you can see, the tweet has successfully been embedded into my post, and it appears now as part of the content of my post. If this video was helpful to you, kindly subscribe to this channel and also like this video. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.